Good morning, everybody. I have 3 blind boxes here to unbox. These are brand new. I ordered them from Kika Goods. They are by Please Don't, who apparently has a bird who is a chubby bird. But the main reason that we wanted this, we meaning me and my husband, because we have weird friends, is because in this is the option to get BIRDMAN. And BIRDMAN sounds like someone that we need to meet, especially the rainbow one. I'm not sure if they're all flocked, but we have rat bird, veggie bird, garlicky bird, who appears to have a garlicky ass, peppery bird, crab bird, 2 different BIRDMANs, and then the super secret is ghostly bird. But the boxes are called What the Bird, and they're by the brand Please Dot. Not Please Don't, I guess it's Please Dot. And then here's our little bird. I think he's a blue lovebird in real life, the bird that this is mimicking. And so there's the lovebird, the poot lovebird. Oh, polite. The polite lovebird. Super blind this morning, I guess. Okay, but anyway, we are looking for BIRDMAN. Let's see if we get any BIRDMAN. I bought 3. There's only 6 technically to collect that aren't secrets. So we have a 50-50 chance, basically, of getting one. I guess you have a 1 in 6 because there's no... Okay, this one's not BIRDMAN, but what bird is he? Oh my god. Are those eggs? Oh my god. We got the rabbit, I think. Let's see, here's his card. Yes, we got rabbit. And it seems he has a tail or 2. And here is the little polite bird. The polite lovebird. Sitting there. And this is a cool kind of package I haven't seen before. Save the box. We can, oh my god, he's flocked. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, he's way too cute. Oh no. Oh, I can't give these away. Oh no. Oh no, look at his little feet. Oh no. Oh, he's so cute. Oh my gosh, look how beautifully this is made. The detail, ugh. Oh my gosh, with even the little double layer of feathers and darker blue underneath. Oh my gosh, that is some detail. And it looks like we are given several eggs. Oh no, the eggs have faces. I can't. Oh no, this one's crying. Why? What is the significance of the crying egg? I'm gonna have to go Google this little creature. Oh my god. These are so cute. Holy fork. Well, I don't think I'm giving that one away. I thought I would just give these away if I didn't get BIRDMAN, but no. Oh my god, the eggs, I cannot. Okay, next one. Speed run. I don't want this to be a super long video for everybody. Okay, trash out of the way. BIRDMAN, BIRDMAN, BIRDMAN. Everybody think BIRDMAN. BIRDMAN? BIRDMAN, is it you? Please be BIRDMAN. I don't think it's BIRDMAN. I don't think it's BIRDMAN. Oh my god, I think it's the garlic one. It is. He's a garlicky bird. Why are these eggs so upset? I'm so confused by the egg situation. Come on, buddy. Oh my god. Everybody's out now. Now it's just happening. Okay, here's our bird, who looks really upset. Does he shake? No. No shaking, but he is very heavy. Oh my god. His little butt is a garlic bulb. And he's so upset. Is he supposed to hold these in his mouth? Oh my gosh, here's another sad egg. Okay. Here's another sad egg. Do you hold the egg? Is that something you do? Oh my god. Oh, I think he can hold the egg. I think he can hold the egg, folks. Well, maybe not. Maybe he's just really distraught, but here's this other egg. And then it looks like this is, oh, I think did I read about this? I think I read about this. I think this tier is magnetic. Let me get my knife. Paw knife. Attack. Do a violence. No. Rude. I don't want to damage my bird's tear. Oh no, come on out. Why y'all gotta be like this? Oh my god, look, it is magnetic. It is magnetic, it's hanging on. Come on, buddy, you can focus. It's a magnetic tear. Okay. So this should fit on our bird somewhere. I'm feeling an attraction. Oh, he's sweating. It's not a tear. It's his sweat. He's nervous. The butt. This one doesn't even have wings. It's just a little butt. Oh my goodness. Well, these are just an absolute delight. I'm sad I didn't buy the box at this point. And there's our garlicky bird. Same bird on the back. So there's a garlicky bird and his children, I guess. Okay, last one. If we don't get Birdman, I might have to order more of these because I am not sad about owning them. They are amazing. Good job. Please Dot, or PLZ Dot, whichever your name is. Please be Birdman. Is it Birdman? Is it Birdman? No, it's not Birdman. Dang it. Oh no, we'll have to order more of them. How sad. I think we got the veggie bird. Let's see if I can get him out this time. Yes, 'tis the veggie bird. We did not get Birdman. I think that just means we have to order Birdman. Another pile. Until this is heavy. He has a little mark on his flocking, but that's okay. But these are heavy duty. Like, these weigh a couple, maybe 3 ounces. These are sturdy. He is a chunky little bugger. Look at him. He's got a bunch of layers. 1, 2, 3, 4 total layers of lettuce. And he has... Did I lose your other egg? Or was that all that was in with you? I think he just gets 1 egg. Probably because he has such an extensive amount of fluff. Well, we did not get Birdman, and that is a great disappointment. But that does not mean we won't get Birdman. So thank you so much for participating in this mini unboxing today. Here's a closer look at our little bird friends, who are delicious with their eggs. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you would be so kind as to like and subscribe, I would be very grateful for your follow. I am just a single little human artist in the world trying to make it and doing all of my weird stuff all at once. So thank you for tuning in. Hit like and subscribe. Leave me a comment on which is your favorite rabbird or garlicky bird or veggie bird, and let me know, because these little guys are adorable. I'm so happy with them, and we will continue the quest for Birdman. Thanks for watching. Bye! Okay, so I went and looked it back up to make this less confusing, and this is the What's the Bird Civilized Bird, and it's about Taro Ball, who is a lavender lovebird. He was born in July of 2021, and he was raised by the author, and he was designed to emoji. So he fell in love with internet animals, and each of them has their own wacky little description.